Well, good morning. It's Sunday morning. It's a bit on the fresh side. But anyway, today we're nothing too exciting, to be honest with you. Talking about bigging up your own video. And I'm late as usual. I'm meeting a few of the lads at Mercedes at Brixworth in Northampton, where they make the old Formula 1 bits and bobs, apparently so. And then we're going to head off to Superbike Factory at Donington, have something to eat in the Café, have a look at the bikes, see if they're as bad as everybody makes out, because everybody says that their stock's not great. I don't really know. I'm just going by what Facebook say. So we'll have a little look at that, and that's pretty much it. So in other news, what's this? Oh, that pothole there, nice one. In other news, what's coming up on the channel? I've had this by my trusty, good old trusty, I love you so much, BMW GS 1250 1250 GS, rather, give it its correct title. I've had it, I think it's 7 years now. Now my CarPlay think it's going mad. The sound is played from the audio output. I'm not sure what's going on there. Can't pure ride. User error probably. So yeah, I've had this bike I think it's 7 years, it might be 6, I don't know, I'll have to work it out. So I should do my yearly review, let everybody know how it's getting on 7 years later, or maybe 6. Other things coming up on the channel. I do want to get my hands on, I haven't done it yet, but I can lay BMW stock to do this video. I want to ride the 1250 GSA and then jump off of it and get straight on the 1300 GSA and give you my very humble opinion on what I think to the both bikes, and is it worth spending a colossal amount of money on the 1300, or is the GS just as good, or maybe a smidgen not as good? Anyway, we'll see what happens with that one. What else is coming up? We've got the TT. I mean, it seems like an age away, the 2026 Isle of Man TT, but in reality it's April now. Alright, it's only the start, it's about the 4th or the 5th maybe of April, and the TT is the end of May. But you're thinking, oh, it's only next month. Well, it's the end of next month, but it's not that far away. Give it a few weeks and it'll soon be upon us. So I'm going to the TT as per usual. I'm going there a week and a bit, so I should be doing my usual videos that I do every year over there, getting on the boat, getting off the boat, and then what I tend to do is do a little video every day. So I'll do a bit going around the island, and then I will do a bit of the racing, or in my case the practice to start with, and the campsite and everything else. So last year I went out videoing all day, and then I edited in the evening and uploaded it. So I was doing literally an upload every day, so it's kind of a current and as it happens type of thing. So if you're interested in the TT, you want to see what I'll get up to over there, then make sure you put that in your diary, tune in and all that gubbins. So anyway, I'm going to cut this bit short because it's rather boring, I understand, and I'll catch you lot in a bit once I get to the Superbike Factory. Well, I think we're nearly here. Castle Donington, according to me sat-nav that I managed to get going. Oh, I don't know how the hell I've done. We're at the Café. This weekend is BSB testing apparently, which I did know that because I've seen it on the old Facebook, but I didn't really take a lot of notice. So yeah, I don't know whether anyone will want to go and have a look at that. I'm assuming you probably have to pay to get in nowadays, whereas years ago you just used to rock up and watch the testing. But here's the Superbike Factory straight ahead in front of me. Here's a car park for all the bikes, in case you haven't realised. Where are we going to go? Where's he going then? I don't know where I'm going to go. I don't know. I'm going in the wrong way again, aren't I? It's not that difficult. Why do I make everything so difficult for? It says no entry, so I'm going in anyway. God's sake, man. I don't know how the hell I managed to do anything. I'm gonna park there. I know. Doing it again, ain't I? My whole life's this. God's sake, man. Right, anyway, here we are. Factory Heads, Café. One criticism of this Café is they don't take cash. I'm old school. Old school is the best school. But anyway, I'm gonna maybe use your comments that I would have left you a tip, but you don't take cash. Yeah, they look at me like I'm some sort of idiot. Justifiably so. Right, what have we got in here? Look, stickers. Oh yes, I forgot about them. Where'd they get them from?
Come a longer way.
Excellent. See you in a bit. No breakfast left. Oh, they've got the last of the breakfasts. I'm jealous. Oh, it looks like the shop's in 2 hours. So there's your cafe straight through there, and you walk straight into the shop. So you can buy merch, obviously, kit, all your kit in here, right, and then the bikes. You just walk through the other section there. I'm not going to go through everything for the obvious reasons. Don't see many of these for sale anymore. Got a few Ducatis in here. That's what I'm lusting after, Street Fighter V4. I've not rode one, I need to get my hands on one and have a little go. Yeah. A few Triumphs. There's loads more bikes, there's loads of bikes in here. We'll have a look around in a sec. A few Aprilios, and there is my monkey. Look at that, it's got a little monkey on the front.
That's beautiful, isn't it?
Rusty exhaust. Rusty exhaust.
It's nice, isn't it?
This is really annoying. This has annoyed me so far. You look at the, how much is that? And then you got to scan this thing to find out the price. Have they got Wi-Fi in here? Because I've got no signal. I love a monkey. How can you film and scan that QR code at the same time? Slightly annoying, isn't it? Got a vast array of scooters. Scooters.
Boycott his channel.
Boycott.
He's got one of them but never rides it.
Gay.
GTM.
GTM. Look how...
That's nice, I like that colour.
It is, but the exhaust look... I wish I'd prep them a bit better. I mean, it looks fine, doesn't it? But that exhaust, look how... Can't you, like, scrub that exhaust a bit if you point it on the showroom floor?
You're only saying that because you washed your bike yesterday.
Yeah, but you just buy some stuff, put it on the exhaust, and you could polish another 500 quid into that. Yeah. So it's quite a lot of stock. What have we got over here then? I like the paint on these Yamahas. Like old school looking. Nothing jumping out at me. Huh? David Bailey, he was a photographer, not a video. Sorry, I mean, come on, let's get it right. I do like these Kawasaki's, to be fair. Z900 RS over the back. Again, never rode one, but they kind of look old schooly nice, I think. Royal Enfield Interceptor over there, two BMWs. She's got even more stock, Another room of endless bikes, adventure bikes. They've got them in all the right categories, different brands, different genre of bike. These are quite nice. Big old multi-stradas. More Ducatis, Versus down there, a few Hondas, the big GSA.
950.
That's a bit of you, Dad, over there, look.
Oh, this is a bit me.
Over in the corner, Andy.
Yeah, check that out,
Yeah,
look.
thanks, mate. Yeah.
Well, you could reach the floor on that one.
Yeah,
Me and Philly get on that.
yeah, you and Phil with your stumpy legs.
We'd have to get it.
Well, you can go for this one. This one is one of those portable speakers.
Okay, thank
Because it's got
you. Got music on it.
I don't know, yeah, it has, look, Marshall amp. It's an expensive speaker, that. It's right, Tigers, little baby BMs, XR 1000s, da 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 da. You get the idea. If you're thinking of adventure bike, this room's probably got one of everything at least. A lot of Triumph Tigers. Take your pick. Well, that's it. Flying visit to here. It's not, in all fairness, it's not a bad day out. The Café was very busy, as you've probably seen on the video. One criticism, two criticisms of the Café, well, 1.5 criticisms of the Café. They don't take cash, which you already knew about. Slight irritation, not a deal breaker to be honest. Food's decent. The all-day breakfasts finished at 12 o'clock, which is a bit annoying because some of us got breakfast and I had to have a burger, but again, no big deal. As far as the shop goes, they got a lot of bikes in stock. They're a bit like what? They're a bit like these car supermarket places for bikes, I suppose you'd call it. The Superbike Factory. So they've got a lot of stock in there. Prices, I didn't really look at a lot. A couple of the lads looked at a few of the prices. They seem sort of average, I suppose. Well, I say average. They seem average sort of prices from, not that I'm an expert on used bike prices. Some of the stock was a little bit tatty. So they have got that reputation of not having the best examples of bikes. But you know, you look at them and you think, yeah, that's nice, that's nice, that's nice, and then you, oh, it's got a scratch here, a scuff there, and all the back of the, you know, the bottom of the exhaust is like all rusty, which you are going to get that on bikes, obviously. But it's just like, if you could spend a bit more time prepping them, you can definitely polish a bit of money into a second-hand vehicle, which they don't seem to do, and their APR rates are pretty horrendous. I can't remember, they were like 20%, 22% last time I looked. Again, I didn't look today because you had to scan a code. Last time I came here, you go first. Keep messing with my bike, go away. And why has this bike gone back onto this stupid? I don't know what's got. Which one do I have to press? This. Let him go first. Yeah, my sat nav's gone weird again, hasn't it? I don't know what I'm doing. Help. Was it that one I press? I can't press nothing. No, not that. Not that. I don't know what I'm doing. This stupid thing, look. Oh, bum this thing. Me stupid carpia ride. You switch it on and it works, and then the next thing it's not working. And it goes on to some weird screen. And I don't know what I'm doing with it now. It's really annoying, so I like to keep Waze on, and it tells you if there's any speed cameras or potholes coming up. I can't do it with my gloves on. Go away. Are you sure you want to delete current device rather? No, I don't want to delete. Go away then. Alright, that's that. The BSB testing, as I said when we was coming into this place, that is on this weekend. I haven't been to see the testing for quite a while. The last time I went, you just literally rocked up and walked in and watched it. As of now, it's 16 quid to get in. Well, I don't suppose you can pay cash to get in either nowadays, so yeah, things have changed a little bit over the years. So safe to say we're not going to watch the test do. I'm not really that bothered about it, to be honest.